travel, and that's also what my channel is all about.
The whole team, with the whole team, with the whole team. Nah, nigga, can't answer call cause I'm all in. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas.
Today, I don't even know, we're going on a trip. Today I'm vlogging, you guys. Vlogging in Korea. We've been off quarantine for like 2 weeks now, I think. But this is like my first time actually leaving post. Because, you know, I had to make sure that everybody else caught corona first. You know, that first wave had to go out first. But now I'm going out, so this is my first trip. Since quarantine ended, there's still a lot of places that we're not allowed to go that's like highly infected and everything. But it's still about to make the best of it. A very educational day today. Today we came to Mr. Toilet House. And here they teach you how they, I don't know, something about toilets. I think they like show you like how they're made and all the different toilets. Because Korea toilets, they like completely different from our toilets. The actual museum is closed. So that kind of sucks. But they got a lot of cool stuff like outside, like outdoors. It's like a little outdoor poop area with all these different statues and stuff. Ew. This was the toilet for kings and queens in the 14th century. Yeah, so back in the day, this was like the toilet for servants. They ain't have no roof or no walls. They just had to go out here and come use the bathroom over a hole. People used to wipe a straw rope. People hang the rope and rub their anus. When the feces dried up, people shaked the rope and the next person used it again. These people were using this rope over and over to wipe their butts. It's nasty. Y'all, can y'all just imagine pooping in one of these? Then you gotta like clean it out. Cause this one of the nice ones. You gotta clean it out, reuse it. That is disgusting. So right now we are at a bird cafe playing with birds. They brought 2 birds over to us and they already flew away. I'm like, what in the world? Birds, come play with us. going to Bird Sori Cafe. Bird Sori Cafe. We went there and there was birds, and I ain't gonna lie, like, your girl's afraid of birds. I'm afraid of anything that can't talk, because you know, you can't understand it. I don't know. The birds started biting me and I ain't like it. And some of the birds, they were a little rowdy, like they wanted to fight or something. But it was still cool. The birds, they were really, really pretty. I'm dropping my stuff. Yeah, the birds are pretty. I think it was a pretty cool experience. That isn't something I would do on the regular, you know? That's not something I would do in the States. But yeah. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave me comments down below, because I love talking to you guys. And give this video a thumbs up, because showing support is free, you guys. So I'm gonna catch you guys next week. So